Just came from a quote for a tile backsplash in a kitchen. The homeowner had taken it upon himself to remove all the drywall for the backsplash and install concrete board, which normally would be fine, except he cut them into like 100 different square pieces where none of them line up, and there's screws sticking out everywhere, ½ inch, ½ inch. I can't tile to that. I asked him, why did you do what you did? And he said, because the guy at Home Depot said, stop him right there. I can't stand hearing that anymore. The guys at Home Depot don't know what the hell they're talking about. If they did, they'd be the ones putting your tile in, but they're not. They're working at Home Depot. There is the rare case where they may be a retired installer or a contractor, maybe a little out of touch with building code, but nonetheless in the ballpark to give some advice. Ultimately, you should be listening to your contractor or installer. They know the products, they know the codes, and they're the ones who are going to do the work. If I had $1 for every time I've heard the guy at Home Depot said, holy shit, I'd be stinking rich. Stop listening to the guys at Home Depot. They're not helping you out. Now this guy, we got to rip out all that concrete board and reinstall backer for tile properly. Do it right or do it twice. Have a great day.